INFINITI revs up the excitement at the 2023 SEMA Show in Las Vegas with a customized Q50 RED SPORT 400. Stay tuned as we take a closer look at this thrilling sports sedan. INFINITI is set to electrify the 2023 SEMA Show in Las Vegas with the debut of a customized INFINITI Q50 RED SPORT 400. This sports sedan is set to be the center of attention at the Las Vegas Convention Center, Central Hall, booth number 24631 from October 31st to November 3rd. INFINITI is offering something special for those who crave more excitement and personalization in their vehicles. With INFINITI Motorsport parts, owners can personalize their new car right off the showroom floor or return to the INFINITI Motorsport website for a fresh dose of excitement. Let's take a closer look at the accessories that make the Q50 uniquely yours. From Q50 sedans to Q60 coupes, these parts and accessories are engineered to enhance performance and design, helping your INFINITI stand out on the street. What's happening under the hood of the Q50? The Q50's twin-turbo 3.0-liter engine receives some serious upgrades, including a billet aluminum coolant expansion tank, an auxiliary intercooler tank, a CARB-approved cold air intake, and a high-performance heat exchanger. And let's not forget about engine performance. Mobil 10W20 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil provides exceptional protection against engine wear. Now, how does this Q50 sound? An INFINITI Performance catback exhaust not only adds a thrilling exhaust note but also features a laser-etched INFINITI logo on the tips. To keep this beast agile, we can't forget about the suspension and stopping power. The Q50 is equipped with INFINITI Performance front upper arms, rear traction rods, and more for enhanced suspension adjustability and capability. It also features INFINITI Performance street brake pads, offering increased stopping performance. No customized build is complete without striking wheels. The Q50 rolls on Nismo LMRS1 wheels, known for their thin spokes and lightweight construction. With 19 inches in diameter and a choice of finishes, these wheels add the perfect finishing touch. INFINITI's attention to detail makes all the difference. For a full list of all the parts fitted to the Q50 RED SPORT 400 show car, be sure to check out the complete build sheet. INFINITI is driving performance and personalization to the next level at the 2023 SEMA Show with the Q50 RED SPORT 400. Don't miss the chance to see this stunning sports sedan in person.